I love developing soup recipes only because it's the ultimate comfort food. It's perfect for when it's cold outside or when you're sick. It makes you feel warm and cozy and fuzzy. And it's so fun to throw all these different ingredients together to create a broth that has layers and layers of flavors. So today I'm going to show you how to make minestrone soup. So your base is going to be a mirepoix, which consists of chopped onions, chopped celery, chopped carrots, and I threw in some chopped garlic. I want to cut these vegetables pretty thick, probably at least 1/4 of an inch thick, only because I like to eat them as well in my soup. You will need 4 heaping cups of a medley of vegetables in your soup. You can use any vegetables you want, whether it's leafy vegetables or seasonal vegetables, or basically whatever you have in your fridge. So today, what I had in my fridge was cabbage, along with zucchini and broccoli and cauliflower. Now, when you cut these, you want to cut them into 1-inch pieces, or basically whatever size you want. They just need to be consistent, where they're all more or less the same size so that they can cook evenly. What I also love about soups is that it's packed with vitamins and minerals from the vegetables, and I add beans in the minestrone, as you don't always find beans in minestrone. I like to do it in mine only because I want to incorporate some kind of protein into the soup. And I love the process of simmering all the ingredients and watching all the flavors develop. It's actually quite calming and such a rewarding experience. And soups are incredible as leftovers only because the flavors infuse overnight, so soup always tastes better the next day. So this is what I mean by 4 heaping cups of vegetables. We're going to add chopped Roma tomatoes to the minestrone soup to create not only an umami flavor, but also it will give the soup a nice red color. Now you're going to saute your mirepoix in cooking oil for 5 minutes. Then you're going to add tomato paste and mix everything together and cook that for an additional 30 seconds. Now add the medley of vegetables, mix everything together so it's nicely coated, and cook for an additional minute. Add your vegetable broth along with chopped tomatoes and all of its juices. Add bay leaves. Now you're gonna add all the spices, which are Italian herb seasoning, red chili flakes, salt and pepper. Bring this to a boil, then reduce the heat to low and cover the lid and let it simmer for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, remove the lid and then add your beans, whatever beans you want. Today I'm using red kidney beans, and then your English peas, along with your cooked pasta that's cooked 2 minutes prior to al dente. Turn heat up and bring it to a boil, then reduce heat and let it simmer for an additional 5 minutes uncovered. Then you're ready to serve. Pour them into individual bowls. I like to garnish it with black pepper, Parmesan cheese, and olive oil. However, if you want to make it completely vegan, you can forego the Parmesan cheese.